Munnak Canal breach, JJ Colony devastated. Bawana flooded, canal barrage breaks overnight. Midnight canal breach floods Bawana colony. JJ Colony in Bawana has been severely inundated after the Munnak Canal barrage in North Delhi broke, allowing water to flood into the residential areas. The breach occurred around midnight, catching residents off guard as water quickly spread throughout the colony. The unexpected flooding has created a chaotic and distressing situation for the inhabitants, with water invading almost every block, causing extensive damage to homes and belongings. The residents are now facing significant challenges as they try to cope with the sudden disaster. The situation in JJ Colony has been exacerbated by the perceived lack of response from the local administration, particularly in the irrigation department. Despite the severity of flooding, efforts to control and mitigate the water flow have been insufficient, according to local observations. The residents feel abandoned as they wait for substantial actions to be taken to address the breach and prevent further damage. The slow response has led to frustration and a sense of helplessness among the affected families who are struggling to protect their homes and secure basic necessities.
पानी तो ये समझ लिया कि इस टाइम जेजे कॉलोनी के लगभग सारे ब्लॉकों में पानी जो है ना छू चुका है उससे, लेकिन ज्यादातर जो है ना आपका JKLM ब्लॉक जो है ये ज्यादा प्रभावित है।
क्या समय रहा होगा जिस वक्त नहर टूटी?
सर हमें जहाँ तक पता चला कि करीब 12 बजे करीब ये नहर टूटा है। 12 बजे टूटने के बाद जो है अभी तक आप ये समझ लिए कि 9-10 बजने वाले हैं। प्रशासन के द्वारा खासतौर से जो सिंचाई विभाग है उसके द्वारा तो अभी तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ खाना पूर्ति हो रहा है। नहर के ऊपर ये लोग खड़े हैं और मट्टियां भर रहे हैं उसके अंदर, बोरी के अंदर। अभी तक ना रोकने की कोशिश की जा रही है। 12 गज का घर है, ना लोगों को नाश्ता मिल रहा है, ना पानी मिल रहा है, ना दूध मिल रहा है, ना बच्चों को स्कूल जाने का मौका है। सारे के सारे लोग इस टाइम अपने घरों के अंदर घुसे पड़े हैं। अभी इस टाइम 6 घंटे होने वाले हैं। 6 घंटे के अंदर जो प्रशासन के द्वारा एक टेंटों का जुगाड़ किया जाता, खाना पीने का जुगाड़ किया जाता, वो भी नहीं किया गया है। लेकिन ये है कि भाई जो स्थानीय नेता है, जैसे हमारे इकबाल भाई ने बताया, वो आए थे, लेकिन आने के बाद अभी तो हुआ कुछ नहीं है, होना चाहिए।
Local leaders have visited the affected areas to assess the damage, but their presence has not yet translated into effective measures to alleviate the crisis. The community remains in a state of emergency, with many residents displaced and forced to seek temporary shelter. The lack of immediate and effective intervention has highlighted the vulnerabilities in the area's infrastructure and emergency preparedness. As the water continues to flow unchecked, the need for a coordinated and robust response becomes increasingly urgent. The inundation of JJ Colony has underscored the critical need for improved infrastructure and better disaster management strategies in the region. The breach of the Munnak Canal barrage serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of neglecting essential maintenance and timely intervention. As the residents of Bawana grapple with the aftermath of the flooding, there is a pressing call for comprehensive support and long-term solutions to prevent such incidents in the future. The situation demands not only immediate relief efforts, but also a re-evaluation of existing systems to ensure the safety and resilience of the community. News Desk reports such the reality.